We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can credit repair companies remove hard inquiries? If you've ever applied for a loan or credit card, you've probably seen a hard inquiry on your credit report. Hard inquiries are a type of credit check that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. While hard inquiries can have a negative impact on your credit score, the good news is that they don't stay on your report forever. But what if you want to get rid of them sooner rather than later? Can credit repair companies help? The answer is yes, in some cases. Credit repair companies can help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report. However, it's important to note that they can only remove inquiries that are inaccurate, misleading, or unverifiable. If the inquiry is accurate, then it cannot be removed. In addition, credit repair companies can help you dispute any inaccurate information on your credit report. This includes incorrect personal information, such as your name or address, as well as inaccurate account information, such as late payments or incorrect balances. If you're looking to remove hard inquiries from your credit report, it's important to work with a reputable credit repair company. Make sure to do your research and read reviews before signing up for any services. Overall, credit repair companies can help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report, as long as they're inaccurate, misleading, or unverifiable. However, it's important to do your research and make sure you're working with a reputable company before signing up for any services. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Abraham Lincoln. Give me time to rebuild my credit, and I will spend it removing hard inquiries. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.